Have you ever watched an English movie? You understand everything, but when it comes to speak, your mind gets blank. Your phrase. You know the words, you have heard the phrase 100 times. When someone tell me about yourself, your mind get blank and your phrase. If that's you, stay with me because in the next 8 minutes, I'm going to tell you exactly why this is happening and how you're gonna fix it. Let me tell you a story. Few years ago, there was a boy in a town. He watched movie. He loved to watch YouTubers in English, memorize dialogue, laugh at jokes in English. But one day in a class, his teacher tell him to introduce yourself. His mouth was closed. He didn't speak any single words. He embarrassed at that moment. That boy was me. I knew English in my head. I couldn't speak. That's why I kept asking myself why. Here is the truth. Your teacher properly never told you. Understanding English and speaking English are completely different skills. It's like watching someone driving a car versus driving one. You can watch driving video for a year. When you get behind the wheels, your hand shakes. The same thing's happening with English. You spend years listening, watching and reading, but zero speaking practice. That's why your mind goes blank and that's not your fault. It's your training, or I would say lack of training. And let me be honest, if you don't fix it now, it only get worse. You will avoid interview, will stay quiet in meeting, you scroll past continuous thinking, my English isn't good enough. And slowly you will start believing you will never speak English confidently. That's a real danger, not your grammar, not your accent, but your fear of speaking. So how you will fix this? Step 1, speak daily for just 5 minutes. Step 2, stop overthinking grammar. Focus on communication. Fluency first, perfection later. Step 3, record yourself. This changed my life. When you hear yourself, you improve fast. You will notice your mistake and fix them. Step 4, using shadowing. Speak a short video in English. Pause, speak loud. Copy their speed, tone, expression. It train your mouth to speak fluently. I promise you, fluency is not a talent. It's a daily habit. If you are speaking broken English today, it's good. That means you are trying. Don't be ashamed of your mistake. Be proud that you are practicing. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner, just like you and me. If this video has helped you, don't just leave. Take action. Comment below and tell me I will speak 5 minutes today. Like this video, YouTube shows it to learners like you. And subscribe because I will help you to become confident speaker. Step by step, one video at a time. You understand English. Now it's time to speak. Go and start.